I guess another thing I should hit on quick is the fact that I am putting so much heat into such a small area at one point. On such a small part, especially with as thick as the material is, you're really not going to run into any issues other than maybe, you know, changing the properties of the material. With mild steel, it's pretty inconsequential, and with, as thick as it is, you're not going to run into really any warpage. So, if this were a larger piece, especially a long flat piece, like let's say, I don't know if I were welding on this maybe, if I were to put all of this weld into this, seal weld it all the way around, that might not be the greatest idea for this length of tubing, because you're going to run into a large amount of warpage, especially being as thin as it is. I didn't realize it was that thin. So that's something you got to pay attention to. Warpage is a serious issue. So you do what I think we call sequence welding, and I don't even know if you'd run that straight all the way across. I'd probably go, you know, half your weld here, and then do, you know, piece here, and then flip it back over, do the other half here, you know, do a piece here. Just jump around, try to move as far away as possible from the last weld you did. Kind of like torquing your lug nuts down on your vehicle. You just jump around, crisscross, back and forth, and keep moving around. And in that as well, it takes longer, which is a good thing, because then it gives the material a chance to disperse that heat, and you'll save yourself a lot of headaches. Warpage is a real issue in production welding. You know, I've seen people trying to show off how fast they can bang something together, and you know, I had it before actually, where I was building some platforms, and these two freshly ticketed guys come over and tried to, I don't know what they were trying to do, intimidate me or whatever. They decided they wanted to come work on the same platform that I was on, and drug two welders over, and we put you know, a few meters of weld into this 8x8 by 4 foot tall platform within a matter of 20 minutes. Finished it all, weld out, and that platform was so twisted there wasn't a straight piece of steel on it. And you know, then the foreman come over and asked us what the hell was going on, and I guess I just shake my head and say, well, you got to find these guys some work. What do? You just grin and bear it.